Do YouTube automation and make $10,000 per month in 2023? Welcome back, fellow hustlers and amazing content creators. In today's video, I am going to reveal the ultimate secrets to YouTube automation and how you can make a jaw-dropping $10,000 per month from this business model in 2023. That's right, we're unlocking the path to passive income on YouTube like never before. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and get ready to transform your YouTube game. Before we dive into the juicy details, let's understand what YouTube automation truly means. YouTube automation is all about creating systems and processes that allow you to run your channel efficiently and effortlessly. It frees up your time, so you can focus on creating high-quality content while the automation does the heavy lifting for you. Imagine waking up every morning to see your subscriber count growing, your views skyrocketing, and your bank account filling up with a passive income of $10,000 per month. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's not just a dream, it's an achievable reality. So, let's dive into the steps that will lead you to YouTube automation success and help you generate that sweet $10,000 per month in 2023. Step number 1, planning and niche selection. The first crucial step is to plan your YouTube journey and select a profitable niche. Research trending topics, analyze audience interests, and find your unique selling point. Remember, finding a niche that aligns with your passion and has a potential audience is the key to long-term success. Additional point, or it might be suggestion that select niche in education field because it has higher CPM. On average, creators in this niche see a CPM of $13.52. So go for financial or marketing field because YouTube really pays high to them. Step number 2, content strategy and keyword research. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to develop a solid content strategy. Consistency is key. Plan your video schedule and brainstorm content ideas that resonate with your target audience. And don't forget about keyword research. Using the right keywords will help your videos rank higher in search results, driving more organic traffic to your channel. To find effective keywords, use vidIQ, the link is in the description, or use Google Keyword Planner. Step number 3, video production and editing. Now, let's talk about the art of creating engaging videos. Invest in quality equipment, create visually appealing thumbnails, and focus on delivering valuable content to your viewers. And remember, editing is your secret weapon. It can make an average video extraordinary. Bonus point, if you don't know how to edit, then you can hire freelancers on Fiverr. I'll place some of the best in the description. Also, don't use AI video editor tools right now because in my opinion they don't work that well. So you have to invest 25% of your work in this business model at least. Step number 4, automation tools and workflow. Here comes the exciting part, automation. There are incredible tools available that can streamline your YouTube workflow and save you hours of time. From scheduling software to social media automation tools, leverage these resources to automate tasks like publishing, sharing, and engaging with your audience. You can use ChatGPT to create scripts, titles, and descriptions. Use Canva as a thumbnail editor and video editor. Use vidIQ for keywords. Step number 5, monetization strategies and scaling. Finally, let's talk about turning your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. Monetization strategies like ads, brand deals, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing can help you generate significant revenue. And once you've mastered the art of automation, you can duplicate your success by scaling your efforts and creating multiple streams of income. Once you've been monetized, then you know it's time for money to roll in. And there you have it, my incredible creators, your roadmap to YouTube automation success and earning $10,000 per month in 2023. Remember, this journey requires dedication, consistency, and a passion for creating amazing content. Don't worry, more content will be out on YouTube automation so I can make you professional in this field. So, start implementing these strategies today. Embrace the power of automation, and let's unlock that $10,000 per month income together. If you want to see 6 best apps to make money online, then click on this video. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more amazing content, and share your success stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and keep thriving. Charlie Hustle signing out.